Hey class, Chris Haskins, realestateroundup.com. I'm here for you. I'm here to serve you. I'm here to answer your questions, whatever questions you have on real estate investing, entrepreneurship, or internet marketing, social media marketing. Yes, I'm finally I'm trying something new. I'm gonna roll out something new where I'm gonna set aside 1 hour a day where you can call in and we can go over whatever deals you got subject to on the financing, wholesaling, lease options, contract for deed, marketing, tenant questions, how to eviction stuff, all that crap under one roof. Internet marketing, social media, how to get paid with YouTube, affiliate marketing, we're doing all that stuff. 1 hour a day, I'm setting aside, I'm here to serve. I know from time to time, I'm getting so many emails and I cannot answer but so many emails during the day for free, because I'm already dedicating a lot of my time to serving. So this is a way that I'm able to serve and we can compensate each other and you can get the value that you need. You want to pay for your value. In my world, I want to pay for what I get. So if you got a question, you're trying to close something, if you need some documents, I can show you exactly what documents you might need. And then, I might even give a discount if you call in on this particular time. So dial in on that particular time, 1 hour, that time that I'm taking phone calls. And we will get you straight. Brainstorm with me on whatever you have, buying a house, selling a house, trying to set up something regarding getting something recorded, wholesaling, you got a buyer that doesn't want to come to closing, you didn't get a deposit, whatever, under the sun, okay? It's Chris Haskins, realestateroundup.com. I look forward to talking with you soon. Talk to you shortly. Bye.